Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Guys, today, the Dawn is in the kitchen to do what? Oh, I know you always get it right. You are so right. Yes. Cinnamon baked chicken or cinnamon roasted chicken. Hope you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, share, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. And to all my YouTubers, supporter, follower, subscriber, a very big, warm welcome to you all. Big up, big up, big up. Guys, if it wasn't for you, then I know I would have a YouTube channel. So I thank you for your continuous support. And if you're watching this video and you always be watching the Dawn Kitchen and you never yet subscribe, what are you waiting for? You can support me. Please support me by subscribing, and when you leave a comment, please leave a like. To subscribe, it's free of cost, and to like, it's free of cost. So let's get started. 2 tablespoons cinnamon powder, a piece of ginger, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is a special kind of salt I'm using, that's why it look like this. 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning and 1 teaspoon of the Cajun pinch. I'm sorry, this is paprika. 2 teaspoons of paprika. 1 onion, cloves, about 12 cloves, some black peppercorn or black pepper seed, and this is the whole black pepper. 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, pimento spice or pimento seed, 6 cloves of garlic, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I'm using the olive oil. Guys, you can use whatever oil you have on hand. And the star of the show is the chicken. This is a 4.5 pounds of chicken. Oh, I forgot to talk about the lemon. This is half of a lemon. We use a lemon to wash the chicken. If you don't have lemon, you can use salt. You can use a little vinegar. Just to wash off the chicken, so you wash that rawness and all of that from it. You're gonna look if there is any feather that need to be removed. No feather. So you're gonna go inside in the cavity, right in the open here, and you're gonna take out any particles that you see inside it or any package. Here you have the neck of the chicken, you have the kidney, we have a little piece of gizzard, more kidneys. They put so much kidney, but we don't get any liver. Oh yes, a piece of liver. We're gonna look inside if there is anything that need to clean out. Now they already clean out everything. There's just a little on my finger, just like this. So after you're done clean up the chicken just like this, you're gonna come in with your lemon. Squeeze the lemon inside, remove the seed, squeeze it inside the cavity, and squeeze it on the outside all over. You're gonna rub the lemon on it. I'm just gonna rinse it thoroughly under the running water. I'm gonna pour off all the mucky water that come out. So the water looks so mucky. Look at the water. And we're gonna pat dry the chicken. After finish rinsing, just squeeze the excess water out. Squeeze it out. See that? Hold it and squeeze it. Pat dry. We want to dry. We're gonna peel and strip the onion. A quick and easy way to remove the trash from the garlic, just press on it. You see that? If you don't press on it, guys, then you have to be coming like this and pulling. So the moment you press on it and you just cut the top right at the navel right there, everything remove. Gonna rinse the garlic, your onion, and the ginger, the pimento seed. Just gonna rinse them under some running water. You're gonna pound on the pimento seed and the black pepper, the old black pepper. With the garlic, you can either chop or you can compress it. On the onion, just cut it in chunks. Crush the ginger. With the onion and your ginger and your garlic, we're gonna stuff it inside the cavities. Let's mix them up together. Mix everything together. Normally I like to have my thyme, but I run out of time, guys. Just stuff everything inside there. Also the pimento seed and your black pepper seed. Stuff them inside the cavity. It's gonna add so much flavor. And the cloves. I can't remember, so I have cry eyes, and this thing is giving me cry eye. Also the chicken neck with the gizzard and the liver, we're gonna stuff it inside. Stuff it up in there. That's what we're using for our stuffing. So the chicken itself, we're gonna use, you're gonna baste it with the cooking oil. And the reason why you baste it, it's so it can hold the seasoning, all these powder seasoning that we're going to use on the outside, it will hold to it. then we're gonna come on with the soy sauce. This is a paprika. I'm gonna flip it over on the stomach and run it. Followed by salt and the all-purpose seasoning. And salt. Guys, when you're doing baked chicken, don't be afraid to season your chicken. Salt and black pepper alone can't do it. The chicken won't have any taste. Put seasoning on the chicken, season it up. Now I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, my cinnamon powder. Put a little inside the cavity. So now that we finish all of this and we stuff in our thing, guys, we're gonna twine the legs together. We're gonna tuck the ring under, because if you don't tuck it under, then when it bakes, the ring will be spreading apart like that, and you don't want that. So let us twine the leg first. So now we finished twine our chicken. We're ready now, guys, to put it on the baking tin. It's gonna spray. One stick. We're gonna place our chicken in the baking tin. We're gonna place the chicken in the baking tin. Remember, just put the ring under this little pint and under. Just put in the juices and the chicken. Just put in that on top. So beautiful people, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed. What are you waiting for? Be sure to subscribe, like and share the video, hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don is doing a video. And I always do this once a week, guys. This is my secret ingredient with the cinnamon powder. My husband, friends always request it, they like it. The cinnamon powder brings out so much aroma, so much flavor to the chicken. I'm telling you, guys. So we're gonna put the oven on 350 degrees and we're gonna place the chicken in. The chicken is 5.5 pounds and basically it's gonna take about 3 hours. Don't be fooled, say a chicken take 1 hour. No, it's when you're baking the chicken, it takes long more than 1 hour. But it's gonna take approximately 3 hours. Now file paper. And while you wrap it, you want the moisture to remain in it. So all that steam will be soaking in the chicken while it's baking. Place at the top. And take 3 hours. Is on 350 degrees. So we remove the chicken from the oven after 1 hour and 50 minutes. Almost 2 hours. And it's looking like this, so we don't finish as yet. So you see it make a lot of juices. So we're gonna pour this off. Definitely you can use this to make the broth or make some gravy. You don't have to pour this out. So you show it off. Just put a little dip in it. And now, this is what we're gonna do with the paprika. We're gonna add some paprika. With the paprika, and we're gonna put some tomato ketchup on it. But before I put the tomato ketchup, we're just gonna mix out this with a little tip of water. Mix it out so it dissolves. We're making a paste. We're gonna put some cinnamon powder. Remember, my chicken is cinnamon. Yeah, the secret ingredients. So the cinnamon powder. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon. Mix it up. So thick, this is looking nice. So this is what we're gonna use. So this is what I'm gonna use to paint my chicken to give it a nice color. Just pass it all over. Remember, guys, to subscribe, and when you leave a comment, don't just leave a comment and don't like the video. Like the video, guys. You want to brush all over on it. Spin. After I finish brushing chicken, you're gonna place it back in the oven for at least 1 hour. And you uncover, you're not gonna cover it. You just have to make it stay, so we want it to get a nice crunchy color. Beautiful spicy family. Or cinnamon baked chicken or roast chicken is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious, guys? Yes, so go ahead and give it a try. Basically it takes 2.5 hours, and it is so delicious, guys. I'm telling you, you have nothing to lose. Let me show you how soft and how tender this thing is looking. Let me just take a piece from the ring right there. Look at that. Look how easy it break in. So yummy. It's falling from my hand. I don't know who is hungry. Our baked chicken, cinnamon. OMG. Guys, go ahead and give it a try. I thank you all for watching D Don Kitchen, from my kitchen to where your kitchen. Peace and love.